We're going to solve a linear system by graphing. Given the linear system y equals 2x minus 1 and y equals negative 1/3 x plus 6, linear system because it's made up of two linear functions, we can solve this linear system, right? Find the coordinate or find the x and y values that make them both true. We can solve this by graphing them. So it's just a matter of graphing the two lines. In, of course, the first function, we have a y-intercept of negative 1 and a slope of 2, or 2 over 1 if that helps. And so here's our x-intercept at negative 1, and we will rise 2 and run 1. We'll rise 2 and run 1. I just keep doing this a bunch of times, maybe even in the other direction to get a nice basis for a smooth straight line that connects them all. My line goes right to the extent of my grid with arrows on the end to show that it extends past. Second function, y-intercept of 6, a fall of 1 and a run of 3, a fall of 1 and a run of 3. We just repeat that a few times, maybe again in both directions for accuracy, and connect those points smoothly. Now, of course, you would do this with pencil and paper with your ruler so that you get a nice accuracy. And here we see that there is a point of intersection, and that is actually our solution, right? It's the place where both lines have the same x and y value. So the solution to a linear system is the big, what we call POI, the point of intersection between the two lines that we get by graphing each linear function in the system. And in this case, therefore, the solution is the coordinate 3, 5. So, of course, you'll be expected to be able to solve linear systems by graphing using pencil and paper and graph paper, but it's useful to be able to do these things using technology. The website desmos.com is an excellent graphing website, so if you click on Start Graphing, you can actually punch in a couple examples. So I've punched in y equals 2x minus 1. You can either just type it in, or you can use the little keyboard icon at the bottom and click the equations in. And now I've punched in y equals negative 1 over 3x plus 6. You can just hit the divide button or the slash key in order to switch to a fraction. And if you use your mouse, you can actually hover right over this place where it seems like there's a point of intersection between the two linear functions, the two lines, and it will actually highlight it if you click on it, but even in this form I think I can see that the point of intersection, or the solution to the linear system, is the coordinate 3, 5. X being 3 and x and y being 5 is true for both linear functions in the system. And so now it's your turn to try. I think you should try to use Desmos. Go online and use Desmos and see if you can solve the linear system y equals negative 4x plus 5, y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2. Give it a shot. Good luck.